How to add overlay on CapCut PC. Hey guys, in this tutorial, we're going to look at how to easily add overlay on CapCut PC. So for that, you're first going to have to simply go ahead and open up your CapCut PC. Click on Create Project, which will open up your editing interface. So once the interface is loaded, you can import different photos and videos from here. What I will do instead is go to CapCut library and add some random pictures. Let me just go ahead and add this. And I'll just add another one. Now to add an overlay, it's quite easy. So I'll just go to import a random picture here. So I'm just going to go ahead and go to my pictures. And then I'll just import a picture like this. For example, I'll import this random cars picture. So if I just go here, as you can see, this video I just imported from CapCut's library. Now, in order to add an overlay on top of this, what I can do instead is simply go ahead and click on this picture right here, click on this plus icon. I'll just click right here, and it's going to add it to the timeline. Now, to add the overlay, all you have to do is drag it and move it on top of your timeline. So what it does is it's going to cover up the entire thing.